In this video, I'm just going to show you that how to see your birthday on the Facebook. That's very simple and easy to do. So let's begin. And first of all, open up your Facebook, and then after that, just click on menu and click on this gear to open up settings and privacy, and just go to account center and click on personal details and click on birthday. So here you can see your birthday on the very top. So if you want to edit it, just click on edit button. So you can edit it here, and there's also another way in which you can check your birthday, which is very simple and easy. Just come back, and then here in settings and privacy section, just click on this search bar, and then here search for the birthday, and then here you find the option of birthday. Just click on this option. So that's a like short way to reach your birthday editing. So this is how you can easily do that. I hope it helped you. If you have any question about the tutorial, just leave me a comment below, and I'll be catching you on the next video. Thanks guys.